Hello friends, now I'm going to start my new video which is on how to make a rainbow with the help of a Siri and a light. So this is my first video of this year, so happy new year in 2022. So after a long time I made an activity video.
One eternity later.
And in this video we'll see that how can we make a rainbow inside our house. So mostly you can see rainbow outside when rain is there and it is evening time. So this happens because light is not only one color, it is made up of many colors. So now I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow. But first we have to learn that what colors are there in the light. So I will not just tell you what colors are there, but we can just say that all the rainbow colors that you see in a rainbow at evening during a rainfall or after rainfall, we can see them with this help CD also. So we can see them because a light is made up of many colors and these colors can be fractured. So if we take an example that there's a top. So if I will spin a top with many colors on it, like there is a sector of blue, red, yellow, green, white and other colors. So if I'll spin it very fast, then all these colors will look like they are mixing and make white color. Same happens with the light of the sun. So when it comes here, it has a very high speed, and this makes all the light colors blend and making a white color. So when a rain falls, the water droplets just fracture these colors, this light, the sunlight, and makes a rainbow which has many colors. And for information and fact of the day, that a rainbow is not just a bow, it is a whole dome, or we can say a half circle or a sphere, sphere on the ground. So we can just see this when we are in the air using a plane, but we can't see it from the ground. On the ground we can see it as a bow. And now let's start this activity. For this I will need to switch off all the lights in the room. No external lights should come. Alexa, switch off all the lights. Okay. So now I will use this torch to fracture the light. You can see this color, the blue, green, red, and in between there is light blue and yellow also. This color is the rainbow. These all colors are the fractured light of this torch. So as you can see, a light is not only white, it has many colors. So you can see that the only blue, green and red are seen, but in between them they are very minor colors, but they are there. There's yellow, orange and light blue and light green, dark green, etc. So because blue, green and red are the major colors and they are very dark, so we can see only them. And at the boundaries of blue you can also see violet and purple. So this activity shows that this white light is not only white, it is rainbow. It is both. When these colors mix, it becomes white, and when this white color fractures, it becomes this rainbow. Alexa, open all the lights. Okay. So I hope you enjoy the video. So like the video and please subscribe, as only very less of you are only subscribe.